folks. Yeah, you can't see my face because I'm trying to show you this thing. What am I doing next? We're going to put some charcoal in here. And the next thing I'm going to be doing is burning some charcoal, put it on the grill, and maybe cook some bacon on here or something nice and greasy. And we'll just, run it through the mill and keep it going. It was a fun build. It was exciting. I did not think it would come out looking like this. I mean, honestly, I thought it would look worse than this. And the barbecue paint, the black paint actually went on really good. The paint went on the bottom really nice. The legs gave me hell. This thing actually came out really nice and clean. Welding it back together was believe it or not, easy peasy. I've seen some people weld these things, and there was a weld here and a weld here. Surprisingly, it went with no hitches. Who knows, it might heat up and crack again, but for now, that's pretty good. It cost me, what, $4 in screws? That was it. I had a can of red paint already here. I have mind you, the handles have gotten a little dirty from handling dirt and stuff, but it's expected. They're going to get dirty anyway. So, but it looks like a brand new hibachi. It was fun. It was sitting on my floor. I know it was sitting in my scrap pile after I bought it for at least a year, 8 months to a year. And last year I wanted to fix it, and this year I was like, you know what? I want to get this thing done. I want to use it, and I don't know if I'm going to sell it or keep it. I might put it. I don't know. I might fry it up, and after I'm done, I'll clean it out real good again. Give it a quick spray, and maybe I'll put it in my store and be like, anybody want to buy it? Paid $5 for it. It's now the $6 million hibachi. $6 maybe, but it was fun. Or I'll put on online yard sale. I want to buy hibachi. If you had every rust, just get back to me. I'll strip all the rust off and start over. So thanks for watching. Next video is going to be strictly burgers, strictly meat, something frying on here, nice and hot. And I said it in the last video, but maybe I'll put them together. I don't know what I'm doing. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned and enjoy.